The worst sitting mistake that causes back pain. In today's digital age, many of us spend hours sitting, whether at work, in front of the television, or while scrolling through our phones. While sitting may seem harmless, doing it incorrectly can lead to chronic back pain, stiffness, and even long-term spinal issues. Among the many sitting mistakes people make, the worst one that causes back pain is poor posture, particularly slouching or hunching forward. Why is slouching so harmful? Slouching puts excessive stress on the spine, particularly the lower back lumbar region and upper back thoracic region. When you slouch, your spine is forced into an unnatural position, causing your muscles, ligaments, and discs to bear unnecessary pressure. Over time, this results in muscle fatigue, spinal misalignment, and eventually, chronic pain. The human spine has a natural S-curve, which helps evenly distribute weight and absorbs shock. However, slouching disrupts this balance, leading to an increased risk of developing herniated discs, pinched nerves, and muscle strain. This poor posture can also lead to neck pain, headaches, and reduced flexibility. The hidden effects of poor sitting posture. Beyond just back pain, prolonged slouching can have other negative effects on your health, including reduced lung capacity. When you hunch forward, your chest compresses, restricting the expansion of your lungs. This leads to shallow breathing and decreased oxygen intake, affecting energy levels and concentration. Poor circulation. Sitting improperly for long periods can restrict blood flow, increasing the risk of varicose veins, swelling, and deep vein thrombosis (DVT). Digestive issues. Slouching compresses the abdominal organs, slowing digestion and potentially leading to issues such as acid reflux or constipation. Weakened core muscles. Sitting with poor posture over time weakens the core muscles, making it harder for your body to support proper posture when standing or sitting. How to correct your sitting posture to avoid back pain and its long-term effects. It's essential to adopt proper sitting habits. Here are some practical tips to help you maintain a healthy posture. Sit up straight. Keep your